Hi everyone, welcome to Business Analyst Roadmap Crash Course. So most people think Business Analyst is about documenting, meeting or talking, right? So, but real business analysts are trained to think like systems. So we write requirements for the system, right? And that thinking does not start with agile or it start with testing mindset. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you how business analyst program actually work. It's not theory. So we are going to train you as a real business analyst. Okay. So let me go to, this is not a full course. And this is just, I'm showing the demo, how the program works. So our program follows like 15 level roadmap, which I already shared, right? The roadmap 15, we have 15 structural level. So daily worksheet, one day, one worksheet and incremental learning and exam after every level. Okay. So you can take 2-day course. Every week you can attend twice a week, 45 minutes with your own pace, no batch. You can individually attend and you can get your work you can do. And if you have any question, you can ask me. You can continue work with your own pace. That's a beautiful part of this one. So no time pressure. If you complete the level one worksheet, so every level has 30 worksheet, and end of the 30 worksheet, you will have one exam to move to the next level. Okay. So I'll show you one example here. So this is the demo one. So this is the roadmap we are going to follow. So we start with testing and UI edge cases and business logic and notification. Then we'll go to the backend layer, and database API and microservices and documentation. Then we'll move to STLs, agile and stakeholders and vendor and resume. Okay. Okay. So the main idea is here not to become a tester. Okay. So why, I will tell you why we need to start with testing, because we have to write a lot of requirement in this system perspective, right? Like first we have to capture the requirement from the user perspective, but when we are explaining, when we are documenting, we have to write system perspective. Okay, so I'll show you one worksheet example how this scenario works. Okay, the first scenario here you can see login. Let's take one example, login scenario. So your task is write test cases, write expected results. Okay, so how do you write this one? Let me show you how you can write. Step one, open URL page. So you can pretty much use for any kind of application. Maybe you can open your email ID. How do you open your email ID, right? Like you have something to practically do, and same time you will learn how to document, right? So open login URL, expected result, login page load successfully with all fields visible, right? So I didn't say here, if you notice, I didn't say open the open the login page, right? So I say load successfully. So that's a change you have to notice here. So clear, specific, no assumptions. Okay. And why these worksheets are important, because this train structured thinking, right? Like improve clarity, build confidence, and matches like real IT project work. So if you complete 30 worksheets, and I'm pretty much sure like you can write any requirement, and you can write any user stories. So that's the main idea. Before we understand other things, first we need to learn how the application work, what's the behavior, what's the expected behavior, how to document. Okay, so I'll see you in the level 2 introduction. Thank you.